shocked to speak, but I think it is important to stand here and just add my voice to what has already been said, because I don't think there's anything more that I can say, but just to endorse that. And as Zuhail was speaking, I was just thinking about the irony of it. This woman and many other Dalit women like her, entire life is a struggle to study and to be human, to be actually casteless, to be normal. And they are denied that. This is not rape, this is an exercise of power and authority upon a woman who dared to break boundaries, despite limitations that are unthinkable. So this is a punishment where you cannot brand the mind, you brand the body, and you kill the body. So the irony is that she was not allowed to be human in her life, and when she struggled to be human, to study, as Swati said, and in her death, we are asked, why are you bringing up the caste question? And I asked those very people, why not? Was she allowed to be human when she was alive? So this is the irony of caste that we need to think about and address and remember every day. Recently, a very well-known scholar said, students should not do politics, they should just study. And in this context, looking at this circle, I'm just hoping that this circle will grow and this circle will become bigger. And again, I want to pose the same question, a question back to the academic community and the liberal thinkers, the radical thinkers who think, students should not do politics. And I ask, who has the luxury to study, and not that people want to do politics, they're forced into situations. Which is why, if you think this is politics, then we need to be political, is what I say. That, here is a woman who is struggling, let's remember, not to do politics, but for the right to study. So, customarily belonging to a section of society that is not allowed to study, to be educated, and I think every day we need to remember the spirit of this woman, to inspire us to struggle against such violence, and to remember that she actually fought. And in some ways I remember Rohit and the other students who were suspended along with Rohit, and we must remember that the struggle was to actually study, and to study is an extremely political act if you belong to a certain section of the society. For others, if you're privileged, then to study is to be normal. I mean, it's the normal course of things. You just study, you get out of, you can fly, you can touch the skies. But for some people, there's enormous amount of struggle involved. And I express my condolence, and also I salute the spirit of this woman, her mother, with such difficulties, with such vulnerability, and with such threats around these two women, the mother and the daughter, the way they struggled, and the way this daughter struggled to be human. And I hope this alliance will grow and it will only get bigger.